Hi from Elai. One of the best ways to help employees adapt to the company's rules and tasks is to use a new employee orientation video. Such videos help establish an immediate connection with an employee. Organizations use onboarding videos for a variety of purposes, with an emphasis on meeting the needs of both the new employee and the organization. You can use the orientation video example for inspiration. There are three main types of these videos. Company introduction. You could create a series of introductory videos that introduce company values or brand history. The company may include in the new employee orientation video script information about how the company will help new hires reach career heights and feel like a part of a really important project that they can be proud of. Organization culture and mission. Show new hires what is the brand's main mission and what your company culture looks like. Your employees will be happy to know that their views on life coincide with the internal company's rules and the direction of its development. Corporate culture videos are essential to inspire and tune in to work productively and achieve the best results. Training videos for new hires. New employees need the most time to learn the specifics of their new position. Scientific studies have shown that 90% of the information we remember is perceived visually. Thus, the fastest method to help employees to find out all the details about their job duties and tasks is to show what exactly they have to do and the way to do it perfectly. Elai.io is an AI-based text-to-video platform that makes videos from any text you have. This is why you need only two things to make an adapting video: some script or text you want to voice. You can also use a ready-made presentation in the PDF format to transform it into a video. An orientation video template from the amazing template library that the platform offers you, or you can make your own design. There are a lot of editing tools at the Elai service, so maybe it is much easier to customize any template from the platform's collection. Use Elai.io to create the best introduction videos to highlight your company's benefits and explain even the most complicated things to your new hire. It is such an easy process that you will certainly like how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye from Elai.